Lexi from I5 Toyota. Today we're going to go over some of the features on the center console. So I just wanted to take a minute to go over that with you. Okay, so right here we have the blind spot monitors. This right here will turn your blind spots that are on the mirrors off and on. This here is your parking sensors, which you can also turn off and on. That will turn off the front and the rear parking sensors. And then this one right here is your ECT power. ECT power stands for electronically controlled transmission. So this is a function that when it is pushed, you can redesignate your transmission. It will automatically adjust shift points so that you can reach a higher RPM levels before shifting into the next gear. This button here, this is going to be your rear slider. Push it down to open it, pull it back this way to close it. Here you have your USB plug-in. This is where you're going to plug in to get your Apple CarPlay. Once you plug it into this, it will come up on your screen. Here's your Qi charging pad. You have to push this button for it to be on. Once it is on, you put your phone here, close, and it automatically kicks into charging mode. Once you pull it off, it automatically stops. Now this Qi charging pad, this does not automatically connect your phone to the car. You have to actually Bluetooth it or have it plugged in to the auxiliary cord line.